start recording before I forget. So I'm trying to do Solstice today, maybe like Born to Root. Stapler already did, and Vol Hub. I mean, I could do it on here, get the points, I guess. The points don't really matter, though, I don't think. And then from there, I mean, we're almost done. Get to work. We're almost done with these ones right here. But then from there, we got, I was thinking about also doing Brain Pan again, because I forgot to record that one. So that one's just been like a live one that's been sitting on YouTube that hasn't really been that good of one. So I was thinking about doing something like that also again. So, yeah, we'll start off with Solstice. We'll see where we get from there. And let's try to figure this guy out. Al, Jay, how you guys doing? Hope everyone's doing okay. Al's always doing good though. Alright, so we got an IP address. Let's go ahead and grab that. And we'll open up a new window here. Clear this out. Whoops. Make directory within, that could be desktop, proving grounds. Do I already have Solstice in here? I do. Okay, so I guess we don't need to make a directory, do we? So let's go ahead and CD into there. I'll say, I feel like I've tried this one before, so I do actually have two things in here. Let's go ahead and clear both of those things out. Remove tech RF, that guy, and then same thing with shell.php. Go ahead and clear that out, and let's go ahead and try this box. Start off with an nmap scan, as always, right? Let's also make sure we can actually ping him. We cannot. And I've had this problem before. Okay. But we got something up here. Alright. Maybe we just couldn't ping him. So we do have port 21. Looks like it's up and running. Hop into there. Nmap TAC SC, TAC SV, TAC P21. And then we'll also try to go to that port 80 that we saw. And currently configure the database, try later. Okay. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Currently configuring the database, try later. So let's try to do a... So... Looks like we would have an anonymous login, but we do not. It's because of all the information we're getting there. We do not have an anonymous login, though. Let's go ahead and do a Go Buster on this guy. Or a dir search or something like that. So Go Buster, dir tac U. I guess we could just start with big.txt. See what we get from there. I wonder if there's anything with this one. Search exploit. PFY, FTP, D, LIB. Nothing. PYF, FTP, DLIB. I got nothing on that. Okay. Let's go ahead and let GoBuster run. We also have this port 25, which is one second. White just texted me. It's October 3rd. It's a spouse game. You're supposed to play kickball game. Okay. Okay. Will do. I guess I gotta play a kickball game October 3rd. Oh, can I do that? Authentication, hello, mail, recipient. Yeah, I'll say this is a mail protocol. I might be able to send mail to someone, but we don't know who you'd be sending mail to. Okay, we got /app up here. We can go ahead and check that out. See if that's anything. We don't have permission to view it though. All right. Currently configuring the database. $PHP. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna go with that. Let's do a curl. See if we got any options for that guy. See what our options are. See if we can put or anything like that. We got post options, heading get, so no put. Okay. So that's not going to work for us. We should do mmap, nicto, gobuster, running background is counted for most boxes. Huh? Let's do a nicto scan. We'll do nicto. URL. We'll throw that in there. Alright, we got backup also. Let's go ahead and grab that. Backup. Nothing in there yet. Can't see anything at least. How about that? So we could, Jay, show you something cool here. I don't usually use this during boxes. We also have an 8593 up here. But I usually don't use this during YouTube boxes because it's better to teach people, you know, everything that you can do. Well, let's go ahead and locate what's it called? Auto Recon. I believe it is. User local bin auto recon, but I think I actually have it CD back into here. CD into auto recon. Auto recon. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and CD into source, I believe it is. CD into auto recon again. And we can run Python autorecon.py on the IP address or on a network if we want to. Okay, ready for this one? We'll run him. Okay, oh, maybe, oh, is it Python 3? Maybe it's Python 3. And he's going to do an mmap scan, a Nycto scan, a GoBuster scan. He does a bunch of scans. I mean, it is an insane amount of scans that he actually does. So this one's actually pretty cool, like right here. But he does this all automatically. And if we look at that CD results, then we can actually see there's the IP address, right? 125.72. We can go ahead and hop into there. CD into 192.72. And we have that exploit, loot, reports, and scans. So we can go into CD report, I guess. And I think it's a report. Cat local.txt, proof.txt, what? Oh, this is for actual reports. Never mind, my fault. We want to go into scans, CD into scans. Maybe, yeah, cat full TCP scan for this guy. So this one like that. I'm trying to remember what the actual thing is. But we can actually look at. That's if you want to automatically exploit it. Okay, yep, it would be in scans. So once this guy's done, we'll go into scans. It'll show us all the scans that he did and then all the information for him and everything. So that's a pretty cool way of also looking at it. We also have this 8593 up here. Let's go ahead and see what that is. See if there's anything running on that guy. 8593. Oh, okay. We got a main page and a book list. We are still setting up the library. Try later. Alright. Let's go ahead and go in that book list like right there. We got an index PHP question mark book question mark book equals list. I'll put two periods there, yep. Let's go ahead and try some local file inclusion. That's the password. Alright, and yes, we do have local file inclusion. How you doing? Who is MBM? How you doing? Alright, so we do have local file inclusion. So now what I'm wondering is, can we do Apache poisoning, right? Because if we do Apache poisoning, we can put something into it, which will then allow us to, you know, obviously do everything else. We can see what this guy's running down here. Pretty cool, like little tool, that auto recon tool. I'm doing good. Every day is a beautiful day. So let's try to see, can this guy do, I think I might actually have a script for that. Do I have scripts? Do I have Apache poisoning? Using files. Thought I actually had like a little like walkthrough for myself on there because I have done it so much. Password file, PHP. If not, I'll make a little walkthrough thing for it. For Apache poisoning. LFI with a, what is that? Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and look up some Apache poisoning. I always forget how to do it, so hacking articles, Apache log poisoning through LFI. So, and I'm also gonna make a little script for that too, just say like what I did and everything. All right. So let's go ahead and we will start to look into this. Localhost, yep, we got the LFI, cool. Now we need to see, can we get to var log Apache to access that log, right? Let's go ahead and do a sublime Apache poison.txt. Okay, var log Apache to access.log. See if we can go ahead and get there. Get rid of him. And we can. Alright, now the next question is, can we actually mess with this guy, right? There's that GoBuster scan. Jesus, look at that. Just keeps going too. So it's obviously getting stuff. There's our Nycto scan, our GoBuster scan, everything like that. So let's go ahead and continue on with this Apache poisoning, like right here. We'll do a, okay, we got that right. So now here, here you'll get intercepted data. Okay, we want to delete all that stuff and add comment. Boom. All right, PHP system get, and then a command right C question mark. So we probably just could do C equals. Yep. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and throw that in there with burp suite, and we'll try that out. Turn on burp suite, burp. Hopefully this is the right way. A little late here. Looks like Solstice. It is Solstice from Proving Ground. You are 100% correct, Noel. Nice. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. So hopefully we get something with this guy, and we'll be able to go from there. And we can do this law poisoning. What if I'm going like way too above and beyond? Also, I wonder if we could just ran something or found like an upload page. We'll try law poisoning for now. Might as well just go straight to, I believe. Yep, he's going straight to here. So might as well just hit enter on there, intercept that request, which didn't intercept anything because I'm still in view source. Okay, there we go. Intercept that request like right there, right? And then we're going to come down here and we're going to get rid of some of this stuff and put in what we want to put in, right? The PHP information. Right, so as we can see, we have, there it is, we have our PHP get command, and it's going to go, he's putting it in between that window stuff like right there, but we're just going to throw that in there. Then we inject our command comment inside the user agent, replacing the highlighted data. So exactly need to replace just the highlighted data, we can replace, you know, whatever else. So go and grab that. We'll throw him, actually, you know what I want to do first is grab this whole thing. Okay. Then we will grab this and we'll throw him into there. Can you know my PC specifications? So I have a let me see, my CPU this is going to get confusing because it's a bunch of Ryzen stuff. So my CPU is a Ryzen 5 5600X. My GPU is a AMD, the AMD GPU, the 5600 XT. All right. Motherboard is X570. The CPU is water cooled. You don't really need to. And I did have 64 gigs of RAM that were running like slow. I now have 32 gigs of RAM at 3600. And obviously, you know, I have XMP turned on. Those are my PC specifications. Nothing really too crazy. I do play games every great once in a while. But nothing too crazy there. So we went ahead and we deleted that, right? We put this guy in there. I'm going to make sure that works first. Right click. We can send it to a repeater before actually copying and throwing it in my thing. And we're just going to see if we can input that guy into there. Send him off. May not get a response because we put all that crap in there, right? Let's just try to forward him. See if we get anything. Okay, so we forwarded him. Let's go ahead and we'll hop back into here. Here, okay. And I guess we're going to turn off burp suite now. Okay, PHP session ID equals, okay, so we got something. Front this page for PHP. Okay, I don't know what that was all about, but that started going insane for the PHP session ID. Did we actually get that in there? Al knows. Al's got it. Al, you got the same GPU, right? Or CPU. You got the Ryzen 5 5600, right? Or did you have... Okay. Yep, you do. I didn't remember if you had that one or if you had the Ryzen 7. Alright, so... Let's see here. What is next? How about that? So we did that. Boom, boom. Here we will dump the log data. Okay, so now we just want to see does this actually work now, right? So let's go ahead and... get out of burp suite. Let me go ahead and copy that first, like real quick in burp suite. So let me intercept that one more time. Refresh. Boom, boom. And then we intercepted that part of it, right? So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Yep, Al, when we lived next to each other, he helped me build quite a few PCs. So he's the man. Alright, so we got this guy now, right? So we may be able to do... I like the exploit dev stream. I was struggling with that. You know. Oh, yeah, hey, awesome. I'm glad that you liked it. If you're just going for ECPPT for the exploit dev, if you're just going for ECPPT or OSCP, that was a lot of those are going way above and beyond what you would ever need to know for that stuff. Okay, so we have and C equals PS. So we have and C equals PS. I mean, I guess we could try that one, huh? And we can see, I think I gotta go down to the very bottom, right, to be able to see anything. I always forget how to do this. Or I should do like a ID, like a PWD or something, huh? Let's do like a PWD, and then see if that takes it. Then Control F. Look for var, I guess. www. var op maybe. Var mobile library address book. Okay. What's all this? I should do like an ID or something, huh? PHP info, data SQL, Etsy password, web cache. Yeah, I really suck at this, like right here. This stuff, I really do. Let's try like ID. Let's see if we can find www data, I guess. Get the command uname tech A, that's a good one. But is it actually taking that command? That's what I'm wondering now. Like, where is that command? You know what I'm saying? What, is this like search for like Ubuntu or something like that, maybe? I'm trying to find something that give me like a bunch of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it's all the way at the bottom, isn't it usually? Because it's like hidden. And this is the part that sucks about it. Let me see, how did they do it? So they just did a... How did they do it? They just did PS and they found all this crap. See what? Look at all the crap from same number execute ifconfig through command. Ooh, we can do ifconfig and then just put in the IP address. That's not a bad idea. And see, is it actually taking something, huh? So let's try that. Let's try doing ifconfig. Or we just try to just throw in a reverse shell and just hope that it's working. Could always do that too. Let's do an ifconfig. -c ifconfig. And we can always look for the IP address, huh? Control F. 10 dot... One somewhere. Oh no, I'm on 192. We're still setting up later. Try later on that. Is that like right where it's been putting everything at? Am I just lost? So I'm putting everything like right there, and I'm just freaking lost. What's up, Juco? How you doing? Let's see here. Are you streaming on? Yes, I am streaming on Twitch also. The exploit path so far is just Apache log poisoning. I just suck at it, that's all. Okay, so I can't really put in that IP address because there it is, like over there. There's like a ping taxi 5 to my IP address. No, okay, that's not even my IP address. That's 49.125. That's 49.125 is me. So I could actually do an ifconfig and then search for 192.168.125.72, huh? 192.168.125.72. I just saw. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna do an netcat or something like that. You like proving grounds? We're just gonna go for like a netcat or something because I don't know if this is actually working or not. But we're gonna try to just throw in a Should we try like throwing a shell, like wget? Or should we just do like a netcat callback, like a netcat tag-e? I'm thinking like netcat tag-e. Let's start with that. How about that? Netcat tag-e. We're going cat my scripts. Netcat reverse shell. Bin bash. So we'll do that. And then my IP address is not that. It's 192.168. So we got 192.168.49.125, right? And that's going to be on 4242. So let's go ahead and do a NC LVMP on 4242. See if we get any callback. And then also, it doesn't even have NC tag-e. You know what I'm saying? That's another thing too. Should we upload a shell? Should we? So see, I don't think I'm getting anything in there. I'm never gonna be able to get to this guy and searching for NC, am I? Yeah. That's another problem. Like, does he even have NC? Another problem is, am I even doing this correctly? Because I haven't been able to find anything on here yet. Because we want to do a... Wait, don't we want... I thought we want more of that. Let me see here. Let me look at this guy. Apache log poisoning, right? NC equals... Okay. So we'll try that. We'll try NC equals... Let's get out view source. We'll do it in here. And C equals ID. And now we want Control F for www data. Hopefully we find something in here. Hopefully. Hopefully something soon also. See, we're not finding www data, and I feel like that's where I'll be. Unless I'm root for some reason. But yeah, this is not very... Man, I do not like this at all. Can't do like an ls tac LA. This is kind of like, alright, yeah, put that in and we'll see what happens, huh, boss? You know? Let's try like this. NC... we can do like a netcat for the IP address, right? Am I supposed to be on this port? This next thing. Yeah, I have to be. Yeah, I have to be on that port. Alright, let's try NC, or let's try to do a netcat and then try to put something into it like that, right? So let's do like a netcat, and then we'll do this IP address like right here, right? .8593. Alright, that should work, right? No. How would I do this? I'm trying to like put something into him, like the get thing or whatever. Maybe a bash shell. Yeah, I can try a bash shell, but I don't know if it's actually even taking anything. That's really what the problem is like right now. I don't know if we're even getting anywhere in that guy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if we're actually... The stuff that we're submitting up, I don't know if it's actually taking that stuff and actually submitting it. And I'm also wondering, like, I did an NC tag-e, right? But I didn't URL encode any of that. Maybe I have to do something like that also? Like, URL encode it? So, yeah, that's URL encoded. Okay, so... I might just do that. I don't want to view source though. Let's try to URL encode this. So, let's say enter. Damn, I thought I just did it. He's just kind of hanging there. I don't know what this PHP session ID is all about either. This thing going insane like that too. Base 64 encode it. Could try that. Let's go ahead and do something easy first. Let's go ahead and encode it with what is it? Like a bash shell first. Or we'll do like an NC. What is it going to be? It's going to be NC. Yep, like that. Percent sign, 2020. Okay, slash. I think the slash is also encoded too. I don't think the slash is our thing either, is it? So let's just go ahead and grab this whole thing, right? And we're just going to try to code that netcat shell like real quick. And if that doesn't work, then we'll do it with the bash shell. But I'm just going to try to just turn on burp suite, and then we'll try base 64 or something. Let's go with the easiest to the hardest. Do something like that. Could try base 64. But then we also have to tell it with base 64 to then decode that base 64. So it also have to be able to do that too, which could be another problem for us. Okay, there's that. Let's go ahead and, okay, so that's all URL encoded like right now, right? That's URL encoded. That has to be URL encoded. All right. I don't know if that's actually like what I want though. Can we if you can run PHP code, then we can decode that. All right. I don't know. I have no idea what this guy's capable of being able to do. But can we do like a curl tac A though? And just put that stuff into there? Is that possible? Can we do something like a curl tac A? What's the box IP? 192.168.125.72 for 192.168.125.125.72. And then let me go ahead and cat scripts PHP command execution badges bar. Yep, that one. Okay, well, that one's curl tac V, but that's a good one I put it in there, right? We're just going to make it so it's actually command this time. We'll make it command instead of C this time. So that should be that part of it, right? That should be good. It's not system, is it? It's not system yet. Is it? What is it? Let me check it real quick what these guys did. Did they do PHP system yet? Okay, they did do system. So I'll make sure it wasn't the other one. Okay. So can we do that? You frickin' piece of poop. Just take it. Do it like this. I hate whenever it does that. Like things like that. I hate whenever it does that. Or it tries to be smarter than you. You're like, okay, I don't want you to do anything like that. You know what I'm saying? But we should be able to curl. Do we do it like this? Is it tac A? Okay, there's that. Okay, so we curl tac A. But I feel like we should see that guy in there. So we got curl tac A. So now we should be able to do, instead of C, a command on him. You know, let's also change this to 443. 443. Okay, because then there's not anything in our way, right? Like, at least we hope there's not anything in our way, right? 443. Oh wait, this guy's still on, isn't he? So let's go ahead and change this guy to 443 over here. We'll copy this whole thing. So that %sign 20, that should just be a space. We'll say CMD, command. And then can we just forward that? Probably should have saved him, huh? Boom, connect. Alright, cool. So we changed it to 443. Yep, curl tac A, then the PHP shell. Yep. So curl IP address tac A, PHP shell. Let me go ahead and write this in there too. Boom. So this is what we did. Okay, we did that. The IP address is for the box we attacked. From there we did the following from there we did the following in the URL. Just so I have this for next time, because I have done this more than once, many times, and I never freaking, you know, save it what I did. Alright, there we go, and the URL. And there we go. Okay, cool. We are in. Jugo is very excited. I am also very excited. Okay, so now that we're in, let's go ahead and ls tech la, cd back. See if there's any flags in here anywhere. Doesn't look like we have FTP, then we have a fake FTP. Let's go ahead and cd an FTP. See what that's all about. Pub. Okay, let's go and CD into home. See what else is on this box. We got Miguel. CD in there, see if he got anything. Anything I can read, like bash history. That's what everybody about my root looks like. And that's going to dev null. We don't have user.text. Can we cat that? Doesn't look like we can. Looks like we're going to be SOL for that guy. And we are. Let's go ahead and grab a full shell also. Let's go ahead and cat. Let's also save this guy before I get out of here by accident. Cat scripts full shell. Yeah, we want to see what processes are running. Start to look at everything like that. Which Python. Okay, cool. Alright, so Jester Juco is saying running processes. We can do that with PS. Bash and then PS. We should also be able to do see that with limps. We can see that with quite a few ways to be able to do this. Can we also do SS to see running processes, right? Do something like that too. Oh, Jesus. Okay. So, yes, we can. Established. So, we can look through this guy real quick if we want to. SS, local port. We want to do that, though, for... We want to do that for SS tac and grep 127.0.0.1 because that will show us what's... Oh, whoopsie daisy. That is not it. And I just exited out of it. Of course I did. Good job, Ryan. Okay, go back in. You probably won't. That's what's going to be annoying, like right there. Well, I think I also have burst on too, don't I? Turn that off. If I just got kicked, I'm okay. Nope. We are still kicked. May not do this guy again if I just got kicked. I think I just got kicked out of it. We have to revert him. You fucker, dude. I swear to God, man. That's on port 443. Call back to myself. Literally just did it. Oh, let's change this command. Let's try that. Stop. Command. Let's try that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to revert it. Oh wait, maybe not. Maybe not. This is all messed up here. So 443, and then we'll do command CMD. Well, that's just annoying. That is annoying. Revert him. Yes. After this one, we'll do Born to Root, maybe. I don't know. That one sounds like fun, right? So we're gonna revert him. I'm gonna go grab a soda like real quick, and I will be right back to keep talking on here. Born to Root, you want to do that one? We'll do that one next. As soon as we're done with Solstice, we'll do that one. Well, it said easy. These guys said hard. I'm finding it to be like intermediate, I guess. I think we pretty much took notes the entire time. So we can go ahead and sublime that Apache poison.txt. We still got to move him over. A quick question. How many boxes are there on PG total? I'm on PG just play. I'm not on the practice one or whatever. I'm just on the free one. And we got, I mean, I would say probably about 30 or 50 maybe. I mean, there's a good amount on here. Pretty good amount. They're fun. You only get 3 hours a day, though, if you're not paying for it. About 70? You're saying 70? I don't know. I don't know if it's 70. That's a lot. I mean, there's a lot on here. I mean, that's the end, like, right there. That's the last one, like, right there. I don't feel like I've done 70 of these, though. Because I'm coming pretty close. I mean, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, God. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't know. We got like 15 left. I haven't done some of that. Alright, so let's go ahead and try to ping this guy. And we will try to not mess it up again. Alright, we pinged him. Let's go ahead and just hop right back into that. What was it? 8379? That was the port, right? Or something? I think it was 8379. Good thing I got this guy right here, huh? 8593. Let's go ahead and hop right back into there again for 8593. Okay, and then from there we'll go into book list, get back to this area. We'll go ahead and do that curl tack A. I don't think that's going to be the same IP address though, is it? Oh yeah, it is. It's actually my IP address. Cool. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, it looks like he took it. And we'll go ahead and run this like right here. And we get a call back. Okay. So someone said to look at the running processes. So I think we can do SS tan, but I just did SS. I'm kind of scared to do SS again. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little bit afraid to do that again. To grep for SS tac tan, grep for 127.0.0.1, right? So we should be able to do SS tac tan, grep 127.0.0.1. Alright, that is a 57. And we also have, so we got, let's see here, we have MySQL. I don't know what that is, and then 57. So I guess we're looking at 631 and 57. That's what someone wanted me to do. Check the symbolic links. Symbolic links. I mean, like, SV cat index.php. Under construction, that's the one that we got to there. We can also cd back. Slash web server. Web server 2. Project. Cat config.php. What is this project? Is there somebody else I can become? We did go into CD home, right? I didn't see anything. To find username admin, password admin. Username, password admin. I don't know what this is, like right here. I don't know where that page is even at. Like right there. That's a weird one. We did find 57. So, could we just do a... Because that's a running process, right? Is it space 57 or is it a frickin' 57? Under construction. Okay, I've still www data. Alright, I just want to see if we can do anything with that. That's all. You never know. Alright, so we want to Wait, CD into SV, CD into... 1 second. Couldn't we just CD and SV, right? Root's running SV, right? We're in web server, and we're in web server 2, right? We've seen those two. Root's running SV. This is the one that we very first got to. That was just straight up port 80, right? So, it doesn't look like that's actually port 80, though. So, couldn't we literally just echo another PHP request? Scripts, full shell. And then go to that site. That's what I'm wondering. Not full shell. Well, I should grab that anyways. So let's go ahead and grab that one. I got an idea. I just suck at explaining. Okay, so cat, scripts, PHP. Is that my L file? I wonder if I could do that first off. That should say L file also, not LIF. Could we technically, right? That's actually with curl. This is actually, I think it's actually the exact site that actually did this on. Because I think I did this one, yeah, index PHP owned by root. Yeah, I see that. I think I actually did this one on VolnHub, didn't I? Because once I saw a books thing, it kind of reminded me of something I've already done. So can we throw, okay. We can write to this. So couldn't we just either A, make a reverse shell in there, or echo some type of like PHP system thing? And can we just make a reverse shell in here? Like index.php, can we make a directory in here? Because we can read, write, and execute to this. Can we make directory rev? And is that going to run? Okay, that's going to run under me if I do. Okay, so I want to echo shell exec. I want to actually PHP system get command. Couldn't I put a get command in there, but it wouldn't actually be a get command. It would be like a netcat kind of thing. Right, we have Python. Couldn't we do check out index.php on my root? Yeah. So I could echo something into there, but can I do like a cat? No. I want to do a netcat. I do a netcat to myself, right? Can I do netcat 192.168.49.125, right? Can I do something like that? Then the port 4444. Okay. Then from there, tacky /bin bash, right? And before all that, couldn't I put a PHP system request in? That's going to then send that to index.php. So can I do something like a echo? Do I need the quotation mark? Echo PHP. Echo PHP system. Do I need these guys or do I need quotation marks around him? Like that. And then go ahead and end that, right? Do I need some... What about something like this around him? What does my command look like? How about that? Okay, so pretty much instead of get command in here, I'm putting an actual command into it, like this. Right? So I got my parentheses, then I put my command in right, and parentheses, and I should just end it just like that, right? That should be it. I should just end it with that, like right there. Boom, boom, boom. And then from here, that should be going into index.php. And then from there, what I should be able to do is curl 127.001.57. Right? I probably should have had a listener on. I'm wondering if I even want it to even come back to me. Or if I just want it just to pop like right here. You know what I'm saying? Curl 127.001.57. Connect to. And we are root. There we go. Let's cd into root. Stack LA. We'll cat that proof.txt. Okay. I can see where the community felt like that was hard. That was a tough one, like right there. But that took us about an hour to do with the reset and everything. That one was a tough one. Yeah, that one took us a little bit to do. So I could see that one. It was definitely not easy, like they're saying over here. But that one was. I would say that was probably. Let's go ahead and cd into home. I would definitely say between intermediate or hard, like right there. Like if you're doing OSCP, that would definitely be, hey, you got 25 points for that one. Crap, where's local.txt? Is there a local.txt? Optus usually plays like that, right? I don't know where the heck the local.txt is at. We could search for it, huh? So we could do a... We may not complete this. Maybe this is where it becomes hard. Try harder. Scripts, find user text.txt right, and then we can grep for local.txt right. Do something like that for local. I'm fairly local. I've been around. Alright, there we go. Let's try that. Yeah, try harder. var www local.txt. Okay. Yeah, try harder. I was watching a stream the other day. We were all the boxes. Just try hard to get. Yeah. Pretty much, Jugo. I was watching a stream the other day, and John Hammond was on here. First time on Proving Grounds. And he couldn't figure out how to start up the box. Because those little play button over here, he didn't see it. So he sit there trying to figure out how to start the box. And someone in the chat wrote down "try harder."